how to fix Instagram Reels not showing option. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels, then first of all you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then what you have to do is you don't have that option on Instagram, so now you have to open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar you have to search for Instagram. And after searching here, you will have two options. One is open and another one is update. So if you have update option instead of this open option, you can simply tap on update and then you can update your Instagram. And after doing that, if that still doesn't fix your issue, then you have to open up your phone settings and then go to apps. And now go and open up your Instagram app under your settings, and here scroll down, and here you will have storage and cache. Simply tap on that and then you have to tap on clear cache. So that's the another way to fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is to open up your Instagram and then go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-barred icon, and head over to settings and privacy, and here scroll down and go to help and tap on report a problem, and then tap on report a problem and don't include, and here you have to write that my Instagram Reels are not showing. You have to explain about your problem, and after explaining you can either add some screenshots and upload that, and after uploading you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner. So these were the few ways to fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.